Falling in an elevator, a nightmare scenario, and for decades, a common myth suggests you can survive by jumping just before impact. But is this Hollywood-inspired survival hack real? Let's bust this myth using basic physics. First, understand relative velocity. When you're standing in a stationary elevator, your velocity relative to the elevator floor is 0. If that elevator suddenly plummets, you and everything inside it are now accelerating downwards together. Crucially, your velocity relative sight to the elevator floor is still approximately 0 or very close to it until impact. You're both falling at the same terrifying speed, side by side. Think of it like being in a free-falling box. Now, what is a jump? A jump requires you to push off a solid surface with your legs, propelling yourself upwards. But in a falling elevator, you're experiencing near weightlessness. There's almost no force to push against the floor. Even if you could generate a tiny upward push, your body would then decelerate relative to the elevator, then immediately start falling again with it. Let's use force vectors. Imagine the elevator hits the ground at, say, 100 miles per hour. At that exact moment, your body is also traveling downwards at approximately 100 miles per hour. If you jumped, maybe you'd reduce your relative speed to the floor by 3.5 mph, but you're still hitting the ground at 95-97 mph. That minuscule reduction is insignificant compared to the massive forces of impact. It's like a mosquito trying to slow down a speeding car. Your bones and organs would still experience catastrophic deceleration, leading to fatal injuries. The impact isn't just about smashing into the floor, it's about your internal mass suddenly stopping. So, the myth of the falling elevator jump is precisely that, a myth. It's physically impossible to save yourself. While the chances of an elevator plummeting are extremely low due to multiple safety systems, know that this movie trope is pure fiction. Stay safe, stay informed, and trust the physics.